What's the meaning of boy? Boy. Boy.
Boy. Boy. The word boy has a few different meanings, but the most common is to refer to a male child or a young man. It can also be used as a term of affection or endearment between friends or couples. Additionally, boy can be a derogatory term used to belittle or insult someone, particularly if they are not male or are perceived to be weak or immature. Overall, the meaning of boy is dependent on context and tone, and should be used with care and consideration for its potential implications.